Hello and welcome to HPL Discovery. It is spring, and that means sunshine, rain, plants, and flowers. This month's craft for the preschool through kindergarten ages is going to be create your own little model flower. See what we got there? And like a flower, we're going to use our energy that comes down from the sun, gets absorbed by our leaves, and blossoms into a beautiful flower. So go ahead, we'll take our simple supplies from our kit, and we'll make a nice little model flower today. Sound all right? Good. Bloom with me. Here are the supplies found in the HPL Discovery kit for May. We've got a green straw, a pipe cleaner, and 2 cupcake liners, one large, one small. We're going to use these to make our model flower. And if you don't have a kit, don't worry about it. Hopefully these are items that are easily found around the house. The only other piece you're going to need is a little pair of scissors. So, the first thing you want to do is clip your cupcake liner to look like a flower. And this is totally optional since a lot of them are pretty roughly the way they come anyway. You can cut it into whatever designs you want. A wavy pattern, a blocky pattern. I'm just snipping as we go. There, starting a little bit look like the blossom of a flower already. And then you can do the same thing with your mini cupcake liner if you want. I'm just going to pinch mine in 2 places. Pinch it so it fans out like that. All right, so the next step is to take your pipe cleaner. You're going to snip off a small portion of it. And this is what we're going to use to fasten our pieces of flower together. So let's go ahead and poke one end. The little pointy ends of these pipe cleaners should be enough to poke a hole through the cupcake liner. Anybody can do this, but if you're pretty small, it might be good to do it with a grown-up's help. And we'll do the same thing through the large cupcake liner. There, now that that's poked through, we will pull it. So it's poked through both of them and it's holding them together. So now, what you want to do is take your other end of your pipe cleaner and poke it through the middle, forming a little U or a bow in the center. Great. See how that looks? You've got that little U in the middle. Go ahead and push that through. On the other side, you should have 2 ends poking out. Can you see those 2 ends? What you're going to do with those is you're going to wrap them around the straw. The straw is going to act as the stem of the flower. The stem of the flower is where the nutrients rise up to the leaves and the flower that allow it to bloom. So let's twist the pipe cleaner there to attach our flower petals, which are our beautiful, colorful cupcake liners, to the top of the stem. And these are going to be the parts of the flower that attract bees and butterflies and other creatures to help pollinate and spread the flower so it can reproduce. Now, if you've got extra pipe cleaner left over, you can use these to model leaves on your flower. So go ahead and twist those together and you can arrange them however you want. Got additional pipe cleaners, you can do more. But see now how our stem of the flower has leaves? The leaves are what absorb the light from the sun. The greenness of the leaves absorbs that sun's energy, gives it to the plant, allowing it to grow into the beautiful flowers that we see. I'd love to see what yours turns out like. There. Now that we've made our little model flowers, I hope you learned a little bit about spring science. These kits will be available to pick up on Monday, May 10th for HPL Discovery. And like I said, once you've got beautiful flowers, it won't be long before you start attracting birds and bees and bees and more bees. Until next time, take it away, bees.